wanted to come on here and show you the step-by-step of using the Lucy skincare products. So the whole range is Cosmos Organic, cruelty-free, vegan, and also palm oil-free. It's also been formulated without any fragrance because we understand how sensitive some skin types are. It's also dermatologically approved, I can never say that word, for sensitive skin. For me, it's really important you guys get the most out of these products so you get the effectiveness of them. So what we're going to do is start with the cleanser. I really do believe the secret to younger, fresher, brighter skin is cleansing twice a day, so morning and night. The reason we cleanse in the morning is because in the night we build up sweat, dirt and grime on the skin. So when you're removing that in the morning, it's giving your skin a better base to start the day with. So then it will absorb the moisturiser better. And if you think about it, bases are so important. The gums are as important as our teeth. The foundations of the house are as important as the bricks. And that goes the same with the skin. If you want fresh looking skin and your makeup to go on nicely, if you want to wear makeup, then your secret is in your skincare routine. The reason we use it in the evening is because you're obviously removing the makeup, dirt, grime, pollutions that have built up throughout the day. And then we're going to put the tonic on and the face cream, and it just means they'll absorb much better. We're going to start with this. I do roughly, I would say a large pea. Is that a large pea? Looks it. And then you just want to dampen your hands, or you can dampen your face. It depends what you prefer. There's no right or wrong with this. It's whatever works for you. And then we're just going to go in circular motions all over the face. So the whole range, as I said, is approved for sensitive skin. It also has turmeric in it, so it helps with redness. I suffer with rosacea and I find it really helps, but please bear with me because I have done this twice now because I've had a few technical issues and I'm also a little bit stressed, so my cheeks will go red. Pay particular attention to your T area. So this area here. This is where a build-up of sweat and dirt and grime can happen. So this is where you're most likely to get blackheads, spots, little white pustules, also obviously around the sides, like this area here. Really give it a nice rub. And get into all the bits around your nose. Pay attention to any areas that you feel in yourself get a bit blocked up. And then what we're going to do is get our muslin cloth and we're just going to put some hot water, well, warm water, sorry. And then we're just going to rub this all over the face. Due to the products that are in this cleanser, the makeup comes off really easily, as you can see. So again, we want to be careful with this. Think of your face as a delicate area, so being gentle is really key. Around the eyes especially, we can actually cause more trauma to our eyes and cause aging by being harsh and pulling and dragging this area, so be delicate around. So now I'm going to demonstrate the mascara. Obviously I would do the whole face together normally. You just need half a pea size for that. And then rub it in your hands again, and then just all over the eyes, being really delicate. And then getting your muslin cloth again. I don't know why I speak like again, like long out my words. And then we're just gonna go over. Like, as you can see, this comes off so easily. I hate having to spend time on taking makeup off. I'm so lazy, so this is literally my dream product in how quick and efficient it is, especially after a night out. So once you've removed all the mascara, you just want to get a towel and we want to remove and dry the skin. So with the cleanser, you do not want to leave this on. I get questions asking, should you leave it on? You want to completely remove this product from your skin. It is not to leave on, but you also want to dry the skin. So dry it down with a towel. You want the skin to be dry because the tonic will absorb better. So now onto the tonic. This product is so underrated. Toners really do make a massive difference to skincare. They're one of the key products you can use. And the reason for this is when you wash your face with water, it unbalances the pH level of the skin. So then when you put on your face cream, it may not absorb as well as it can do because the pH is imbalanced. So using a toner will help with this, and it will also help to minimize pores. But we wanted to give it a little extra sparkle, a little extra glow, and that's why we've made this an AHA toner, and that's why it's called our Dazzling Tonic, because it has lactic acid and ACB fruit mix. Now these products are incredible, and the ingredients that we use, which are natural but they're so effective, they help with cell renewal, so they're anti-aging, they help with an all-over glowing complexion, they help with getting away and breaking down the dead skin cells, so giving your skin a supple, soft feel and touch. and they also tighten the skin. So again, they've got that anti-aging, they get rid of fine lines and really help the skin to regenerate and rejuvenate and look fantastic. And you may find tingling occurs. That's absolutely fine. It's actually pretty normal. You may find redness occurs. Obviously, if it feels uncomfortable or irritated, then it may not be for you. We've got a blog that explains all this, so please check it out. So just put that onto your pad. If it's your first time using it, start with less and then build your way up. But again, you use this product daily, morning and night. All 3 products you use morning and night for best result. And we're just going to go over the skin with a lightish sort of pressure all over. You can go under the eyes, but not directly under, just be careful. And also the neck. The reason for using this as well, it removes the extra any dirt or any makeup that you may have left. And as I can feel it, it's cooling and it's tightening, but you want that, like it's really working in how it performs on the skin. And it's also helping to minimize any pores, helping with reducing pigmentation as well. Last but not least is our face cream. So the face cream is a Radiance-Boosting Face Cream. It's again got soothing, hydrating properties. We've really focused on the hydration of this because that obviously transfers into glowing, healthy looking skin, which is my main aim when wanting to look and feel my best. So all of our products are in glass jars or aluminium. So we've got the tube is aluminium as well. So we try and be as sustainable as we can be with our packaging. A little goes a long way when using face cream, so you only need a small amount. This also has a tightening ingredients in it, so you'll feel it working on the skin. You'll also find it's got antioxidants in it. It's also got anti-pollutants, so it's helping protect our skin against daily stresses. So the whole range is suitable for sensitive skin. Children can use it. People with rosacea can use it. If you're worried, please buy the samples and try them first. Men, women, anyone can use it. The whole range has been designed for everyone. That's what I love about Lucy B, because we haven't got one person, not one size fits all, and that is so what Lucy B is about. We want everyone to use the products, we want everyone to love them. And there you have it in a nutshell. It's taken me, 10 minutes to show you, but it's taken me 3 hours to film this because there's been a few mishaps. But as you can see, that is it. I hope you found this useful. I will do more. I will do some live because with that I can't fluff up my words because you just got to go with it. But thank you, and to everyone that's bought the range, I am honestly overwhelmed with the response right now, and the feedback has been incredible. I really do appreciate all of your time, so thank you, and I look forward to sharing more with you soon on the next product development. Have a lovely weekend. Bye.